That unique little bump is officially known as the Northwest Angle, or simply the Angle, and its existence is the result of a massive 18th century whoopsie involving a very inaccurate map. It is the only part of the contiguous United States that sits north of the 49th parallel, and reaching it by land requires a roughly 40-mile drive through Manitoba, Canada. The story begins with the Treaty of Paris, 1783, which ended the American Revolutionary War. Negotiators, including Benjamin Franklin, used the Mitchell map to draw the boundary between the new United States and British North America. The border was supposed to run through the Lake of the Woods to its northwesternmost point, and then move due west until it hit the Mississippi River. The Mitchell map was wrong. It depicted the lake as a simple oval and suggested the Mississippi started much further north than it actually does. In reality, the Mississippi's source, Lake Itasca, is about 150 miles south of the Lake of the Woods. If you started at the lake and headed due west, you would eventually hit the Pacific Ocean without ever crossing the Mississippi. When surveyors finally realized a due west line was impossible, they decided the boundary should drop due south from the lake. Because the lake's tip was higher than the 49th parallel, that line cut off a 123 square mile chunk, isolating it from Minnesota. There are no staffed border stations. Instead, travelers pull over at a small shed called Jim's Corner and use an iPad to report to customs. It is also home to the last remaining one-room public schoolhouse in Minnesota. Then there's the Great Walleye War, where residents jokingly proposed joining Canada to simplify their fishing rights. Today it remains a pristine wilderness, a bucket list spot for geography nerds and serious anglers alike.